Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deposit cash in your Halifax bank, and it's really easy and simple, guys. There's multiple ways you can do this. Of course, one of the ways is using the mobile app right here. So for the mobile app, you can just use the app, the banking app on iOS and Android devices. So what you need to do is select on the three-dot menu, okay, next to your ISA, then select top up ISA, and then you can do that online as well. You come to this page, click on deposit, and then you can go ahead and deposit funds to your account. Really, really easy and simple. You can do this through different ways. You can perhaps use a credit or debit card, okay, or you can also do this through, for example, the post office. So you use your card and then PIN, and you go ahead and order paying slips at a Halifax branch, or you can call them. The maximum deposit you can do using a paying in slip is €1,000, and the money will be available in your account the next day. We can use a banking hub, which is basically operated by the post office, and some banking hubs have a community banker available 1 day a week, or of course you can do this through the banking app or online when you sign in on their website. Really easy and simple, guys. There's multiple ways. So I hope this video provided value to you. If it did, guys, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.